guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm excited. You know that I'm excited because you can see something. You can see, you can see. Oh my goodness, I am so excited. Why? Because my hair has gotten to that point where it's now a fro. Can you guys check this out. Check this out. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. It's never too late. If you are a regular subscriber, welcome back to the Baby Girl's channel. So y'all know that I cut my hair. First of all, I cut my hair in January of 2020. Okay, then I started growing it out again, and then I did the braids that gave me the allergies, and then I had to cut my hair again in May. So this is like from May till now, and y'all know that I did a lot of styles, and I was kind of struggling because it was really short, and I wanted to, you know, try my new styles. I'm a braider, so if there's no better person to advertise my business than more. So now that my hair is back and I'm so excited. So guys, yeah, I don't know, like, what do I even say? Like, how do I even say? How did my hair go this fast? I would say always keep your hair put up, like braided, do locks. I think locks actually, I said this before in my previous videos, locks actually stretch out your hair. Like, that thing grows mirror, especially when you leave him up for a long time. So let's say the hair grows out and you lock it back up and you just keep for twisting, it grows, and when it's growing, it's stretching. So if you really want to grow your hair, then that's a good deal. So guys, I took down my braids like a week or 2 weeks ago, and I just put it in like a not a ponytail. I put them in like cornrows down. So I've had the cornrows in for like a week-ish. So it's time to get myself situated because I've been looking so crazy. I go out to give people my cards and they look at my hair first like, you braider? Like this? So yeah, we gotta get, you know. And today, I remember that I put in like a poll for what kind of hair do you guys want to see next. So, and you all voted for me to do the knotless goddess twist, but the second highest option was the rainbow braids. So I decided, since I had like the material for rainbow braids, I will do that. And also my birthday is in July, and I was thinking, okay, if I do the rainbow braids this month, I can leave them for 2 months or so, and then I can do the goddess twist for my birthday, you know, have something fresh and different. So this time around, I have a lot of clients. I'm more booked up. I just want to put my hair into braids or into something, you know, that can just hold it together. But I'm gonna do like the goddess braids, the goddess twist. So y'all don't think that, you know, your input or your opinions don't matter, because I asked for it and you answered. So definitely, it's very important. So yeah, I've been talking too much. I didn't expect to talk for 3 minutes. So guys, I'm gonna wash my hair, dry it, and we're gonna be back, okay? So guys, at this point, I don't know, I have over 15 colors here or more. I'm still gonna count later, but I'm just gonna show you what I'm talking about. So look at all the colors I have here. Then I have purple. This is what I'm gonna use to transition. I have this, I have brown, I have blue, I have this. It's just a whole bunch. So let's start. guys, so this is the next day. Okay, so I started yesterday by 1ish, 1 p.m, 1:30 ish. So I finished yesterday by like 1:32, 1:30 a.m. So I went to bed. You guys know that I'm doing my own hair, so I didn't just sit straight doing that. You know, I did so many things. Yeah. So I have this much to go, and I completed this part of the hair. Yeah, guys, it's really, 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 really very long. So I like the way the color mixture is. So what I did was I decided to, let me see if I can pick it up. So what I did was I decided to just mix all the colors together. Yeah. So I decided to just mix all the colors together. So all the braids would just have bit of everything. So yeah, I'm just gonna continue and finish. Really.